The modern day laundromat and what that looks like, and we've got a few pictures of them on our website, is dramatically different than what most people think in their mind. They have a look and a feel of a very corporate, professional image that they're giving. It's not just, we went in there and throw some paint up and put some machines on the floor. They're really thought out. They're well organized, a lot of amenities, and the customers respond very well. And the people that have done it and done it right have been very, very successful, and they've built multiple stores. We have been very successful in places that you may not think of as a good, quote unquote, laundromat location. We get a lot of drop and fold in places. People like the convenience of it. We've put laundromats in where there's a heavy rental population, maybe not low income. Maybe it's more affluent than you think, but it's convenience. A family of four, wife come in there and knock out laundry in an hour instead of spending all day on a Saturday doing laundry, doing load after load after load. Convenience factor. There's a lot of things that go into it that you can draw a different demographic than maybe your older perceived idea of what a laundromat user looks like. I think if you went into a modern day laundry that I'm describing, you would see all ages, you would see all races and all income levels coming in there to utilize the services that the laundromat could offer. Again, drop and fold services, pickup and delivery services, being able to wash camping gear, horse blanket. I mean, there's a variety of stuff that you could draw people in that you wouldn't traditionally think is the laundromat.